Which one would you like? Which one looks like yours?
The one in the middle is, I think, the one I use. That's Alec Guinness's one.
Oh, then it's yours.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
This
These
one.
are really nice.
It's amazing.
How do you turn that
Can
one
you
on?
bang them against each other? Will they break? Oh no, they won't.
But you make the sound effects yourself, don't you? Do you want one?
Good swing
Oh,
right
look
on
at that! What? That's fantastic. But can you make the noises?
Oh, is it true that you did this thing? I'm sure you've been asked this 1,000 times.
Yeah.
Like in Rocky, they did this in Rocky as well, where they had to, you would make the sound effects yourselves. So they had to go back and, like, sound was a nightmare because it was a bunch of people going, vroom.
No, it wasn't. To begin with, it was quite difficult not to make the sound.
Yeah.
And also when it goes away, because it makes that nice noise when it goes down.
Got it. There you go.
Okay, so when you put it on, it has to make this kind of noise. Oh, nice.
You're so good at it.
I did it. I spent months doing it.
Bang,
Oh,
bang,
no, it's too late!
bang, bang. Bang. Bang.
I'm going to tell you the most embarrassing story only because Ryan Johnson, our director, embarrassed me by telling it a few days ago.
Okay.
That I didn't know I did it, and I guess they were watching dailies and, and recognized it deeply. There is a moment where, you know, I get to have a space weapon in my hand,
Blaster.
and I guess didn't realize that I was back in my bedroom at 8 years old doing the scene. I went pew pew as I was in the middle. They've taken the sound out. I don't think you'll hear that in the movie, hopefully. Yes, I was so excited. I mean, it's Star Wars.
That's the most adorable thing I've ever heard in my entire life.
You know, all of the lightsaber work was some of my, favorite parts of getting to play this character and be a part of the Star Wars world. It was just a childhood dream come true. But I will share with you one of my challenges. I had sort of been conditioned from a very young age to make the sound effect when I was playing lightsaber. And I know this is something that Ewan maybe struggled with a little bit too, but it was a difficult habit to break. And I remember on a couple of occasions, George, you would come over after we had filmed a fight scene, and in a very encouraging way, you would say, "Hey, that looks really great, but I can see your mouth moving, and you don't have to do that. We add the sound effects in afterwards." And I was just so focused, I wasn't even aware I was doing it. But still to this day, I pick up a lightsaber and I can't help it.